welcome back to my channel. I have a fun heart die cut that I am backing today for this easy, simple layout. I did back this cut file with a lot of scrap pieces of paper, and honestly, this one that's like this aqua green color, this got destroyed and it's like all rolled up from when I was doing December daily and used it to make a title, I think, on a layout or something, and it was a fresh cutting mat, and this is like thinner glitter paper, and in order to get it off the paper, it got destroyed. But there was so much still left to use of it that I literally keep it on my desk and like hole punch hearts out of it, or like doing what I'm doing now and like using it to back some of my cut files. But it's difficult to work with, I am not gonna lie. But I just loved it so much. I mean, granted, I could have gotten another sheet. This is from Michael's, but I haven't. But it's just a good old memory from December Daily on how a new cutting mat does not work well with thinner, specialty paper. Note to self. So these scraps too, you saw me use a vellum piece that has hearts on it. I do believe that's from the Love collection from Crate Paper. The one that's with all the tiny hearts, that also is from Love. This one I'm cutting out with these mint green flowers. This is from Maggie Holmes, and I want to say that was from the Carousel collection. So these are just like scraps that I have that sit like in a little mail holder on my desk, and I picked out anything that had pink and or mint in it along with some gold. So that is the final touch. There's some glitter paper that's gold, a pink polka dot, and I even backed some with some acetate that had a gold polka dot as well. And so I don't pop this up on foam or anything. I leave it flat for this layout, and I'm putting it on like a bubblegum pink cardstock. This is from Michael's, one of their like hot buy packs that I truly have like probably all their solid colored cardstocks because I do enjoy them. They are good quality if you haven't tried them yet. And I have them in all the colored colors there. And then I'm just showing you that I got bigger hearts. These are using my Cuttlebug, so I have like some nesting heart die cuts that I can go through my Cuttlebug. I used the same scraps and I made 3 larger layered embellishments, because from doing this kind of layout where I use scraps of paper and stuff, none of my ephemera was really going with the collection, and I had pulled stuff on the side because you can see some like these flowers, these sequins. There's like a bow on the side there. Like nothing was going or matching perfectly with it, so I just had a thought that since I already have used all these scraps, let me see if I can make like bigger clustered flowers, hearts, in order to be my embellishments and keep it really simple. And so that's what I did. And then with these, since I layered them, I kind of folded up some of the 2 sides so that they looked like almost like butterfly wings and add a little bit of dimension. And so it's like cardstock again, the pattern cardstock. There's vellum cardstock, and then I used some of that glittered paper again. And then I'm going to keep it real simple with the title from this thicker collection. It's been sitting in my collection for a while. I think I got it in a Hip Kit Club because I don't remember the name. Don't be mad at me. But I kept it just as happy. This photo I'm scrapping is from Easter weekend. We went to see my mom in Sarasota. I live in Florida, if you don't know. And we went to like an Easter brunch, and so Valentina got a fun new dress from Grandma, and Miguel and her are having this like laughing moment, and I'm like the only one staring at the camera. Like, really? This is totally the pictures I get lately. These puffy sticker hearts are from the dollar spot at Target, but these were not this season. Honestly, I think they were last year's, or actually one might be last year's and one is this year. They come out with good stickers, y'all. If you haven't gotten to a Target dollar spot section, check it out. So I used the pink ones and some gold silver ones, and then this is me with my tiniest heart punch going in with some gold and more mint green little smaller parts. These are acting like my little sequins to the layout, and I don't know if I actually add gold glitter or gold splatter, because I love the way this looked so much. Like, it's a little different, it's a little bit more simple for me, but you know, I caught myself and not adding too much. Oh, that's what I did. So, you know, this glitter paint that I've been showing on some of my layouts, I went in on the cardstock and added this gold glitter to the papered cardstock backings, not on the acetate or on the glitter paper. That was how I, added more like bling bling to the layout. So You know, I bought this, I think, at Michael's. I've been using it in like all my layouts lately, and so this one's not any different. It just adds the most gorgeous, like, added details. So pick it up. I actually went back now and I have like the rainbow one too. I haven't used it quite much yet, but it's super fun. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye everyone.